I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a vector editor and setting a 1920 x 1080 canvas so proportions match YouTube's feel. Once done, import or sample the red color and prepare a centered rectangle. You draw a rounded rectangle with precise corner radius, then convert to paths to refine. Make sure to keep layers labeled. Background red, white play shape, guides. This early precision saves rework later and ensures the logo scales cleanly for every size. Next, you create the white play triangle and align it perfectly centered in the red rounded rectangle. Use snap to guides for pixel accuracy. Once aligned, apply a mask or Boolean subtract to ensure the triangle sits crisply inside the red shape without anti-aliasing issues. Then smooth nodes and check padding, about 8 to 12% visually. Make sure to zoom out and preview at small sizes so the triangle reads clearly. If it blurs, tweak node positions and stroke hints. Finally, you export an SVG master and raster PNGs at multiple sizes like 64, 128, 256, and 512 so the logo works everywhere. Once exported, test on dark and light backgrounds and rename files clearly. If edges appear blurry at small sizes, increase the canvas bleed slightly, hint strokes, or adjust export anti-alias settings and re-export. These fixes preserve crispness. Make sure to save versioned masters so you can revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.